we present you the new release of activities for children that are set in the school environment. These activities were designed with high ecological value, which allows children to more easily transfer what they learn in the session to contexts that are familiar to them. The drawings that appear in each activity are elements you can find in a school setting, but the designs are so eye-catching that they make the experience much more motivating for the kids. Next, I'll tell you more about the activities. The activity, Prepare for School, takes place inside a bedroom. The situation simulates the child getting their backpack ready for school, selecting only the items they would actually take. The goal is for the child to identify and respond to a specific item, ignoring the rest of the stimuli that appear on the screen. In the activity Let's Go to School, it simulates the child being on transportation on their way to school. The activity has two versions, bus and train, which allows it to be adapted to the child's usual mode of transportation, increasing its realism and ecological validity. The task consists of listening to different announcements and responding only when the indicated stop is heard. In the activity, Going on a Field Trip, a familiar situation for children is presented, a school field trip. In this task, the child must pay attention to both visual and auditory stimuli, responding when a specific image appears or when they hear a certain stimulus. The activity includes two versions. Voice version, in which the auditory stimulus is a word. This version is especially recommended for children who already have more advanced language development. And a version with sounds, in which the auditory stimulus is a sound. This option is especially useful for younger children or those with greater language difficulties. These activities allow you to work on basic cognitive functions such as attention, but they also address daily life activities. Since this is a school setting, you will also work on advanced activities like education. These are recommended for boys and girls with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, neurodevelopmental disorders, learning disorders, or other attentional and executive difficulties. These activities connect cognitive training to children's real lives, making it easier for them to apply what they learn in their daily routines.